Hello, Nemo's friend. This is Evie, co-founder of NemoVideo. Most of users use NemoVideo to edit their talking head videos, and that's why we designed an editing tool that makes specifically for this type of video, talking head video editor. Click Get Started on the homepage and upload your raw footage, including your unedited talking head video and any product or supporting clips. Once uploaded, Nemo automatically analyzes all your footages. It transcribes your speech, understands pacing and key moments, and figures out which clips work best as A-roll and B-roll. Then, Nemo combines everything into a structured talking head video, intelligently matching B-roll to what you're saying so the video feels dynamic. After reviewing the A-roll and B-roll, and replacing the B-roll if needed, you can fine-tune the video just by telling Nemo things like, extend the end of shot 2 by 2 seconds. The sentence isn't finished yet. Add a transition between shot 1 and shot 2. Or change the background music to something softer. Nemo handles the edits instantly while keeping your voice natural and clear. Once you're happy with the results, export the video. Your talking head video is now polished, platform ready, and optimized for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram without hours of manual editing.